door stinks. I've never had it. Oh, stands on this door. How does it stink? Stink for real.
What about the what about the seat?
That seat stinks because it smells. That stinks. Stinks.
Why does it stink?
Stink of this. Remember when we were having a party?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like few of your friends came.
Mm-hmm.
Few of your friends, and they didn't see me forever.
Mm-hmm.
Remember?
Mhm.
This stinks. For real. That stinks.
Really?
Really stinks.
How much does it stink?
A lot of stink. Oh man. I can talk evilly. Oh man. I'm better gonna go inside so I can take a deep breath.
Let's go. Go inside.
Oh man, the door's locked. How about that stinks to this outside window? This whole place stinks. This whole house. Inside of it is shivering. Oh, man.
Come close.
Never had to do this. Oh man, that stinks. For real, it stinks, Daddy.
Really?
Really stinks.
What?
Oh,
Why did you pick it up?
Huh?
What is it in your finger? Throw it. Trash it.
Okay, I'll touch it there.
No. Trash in the
But
trash.
I found it.
Trash in the trash.
I'll put some water so it can be shiny.
Hmm?
Remember?
That's a nasty thing, baby. Good girl.
What are these for?
No. Leave it over there. That's for the swing.
What's mean?
Come on. Get in the
What's
house.
mean?
Get in the house.
What's mean?
Get in the house.
What's mean?
That swing.
This thing?
That swing.
If it falls down?
Get in the house.
Ooh,
Get
this-
in the house.
I hear Mama's voice here. Honey. Oh.
Look at me. Come close.
It's fish here.
Who bought you the swing?
Papa?
Who bought you the trampoline?
Papa?
What do you want for your birthday from Papa?
I don't know.
Say something.
Daddy, I want Papa to buy me a Barbie.
What Barbie?
A kind of Barbie.
Okay.
Barbie the Nine Castle.
Give a kiss to Papa.
Papa's not here.
In the air. Give a kiss.